This is problem number 6 from the ACT practice. Typically, problem number 6 is an intermediate algebra problem. Number 6 is a little tougher. This is a problem that usually kids who score between a 33 and a 36 on the ACT are able to get correct. Problem number 6 is from probability, statistics, and data analysis. Okay, so this problem, if you recall, said gives you a little story about a teacher of a class. It says Miss Hernandez began her math class by saying, "I'm thinking of 5 numbers such that their mean is equal to the median. If 4 of the numbers are 14, 8, 16, and 14, what is the 5th number?" What is the 5th number Miss Hernandez is thinking of? Okay, so a few things. Let's get some definitions down. The word mean means I have added everything up, divided by, and that's my average. It's like your grade would be in a class. You add up all the assignments you do, divide by that number, and that's what your grade in the class would be. It's your average. Okay? The median means what is the middle? We have a middle. Okay? Now, if we're dealing with a middle, we should put the numbers in from least to greatest order, so ascending order. So so far I have 14, 8, 16, and 14. So my smallest number is 8. I then have 14. My next number is 14. And then I have 16. Okay, so let's figure out where this 5th number would be. Does it go in the beginning, in between any of these numbers, or at the end? Okay, so it says, if 4 of the numbers are that, what is the 5th number? So the 5th number is this unknown. I'm going to call it x. Okay? So if I call that x, I should be able to come through and do this problem pretty easily. Okay? So first thing is, we're looking at what is the 5th number. 5th number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or even on this, it would have been the 5th number over here. So what is the middle? The middle, I have this, and this. What is the middle of 8, 14, 14, 16, and x? Just as a list. The middle is 14. That's your median. And we know that the median and the mean have to be the same number because they told us in the story. I'm thinking of 5 numbers such that their mean is equal to their median. So their average is equal to the middle number. We know by putting the numbers in ascending order, and they told us the 5th number is unknown, that our middle number has to be 14. So our median is 14. And our mean and median on this problem have to be the same. So our mean is also 14. Now remember what I said. In order to get the average, I'm going to add up all the numbers and divide by 5. That gives us our average. Our average is the mean. Our mean is the same as the median. The median is 14. So our mean is 14. Our average is 14. So I'm going to add them all up. So I have 8 plus 14 plus 14 plus 16 plus x divided by my 5 numbers. I have 5 total scores. And we now know that our mean or our median has to be 14. Okay? Couple of ways you can approach this problem. Let's add up everything we have up here on top. So I have 8 and 14 and 14 and 16 added together. So that's going to give me 30, 44, 52. So I get 14 is equal to 52 plus x over 5. I want to get x all alone. X is our missing number. So what I'm going to do is, this is a division problem here. In order to undo division is called multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. This is going to cancel this. So 5 times 14, 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2, 5 times 1. So I'm going to get 70. 70 is equal to 52 plus x. So if I were to go 52, add a certain number to it, and get 70, I'm going to be able to solve this problem. So now I'm going to subtract 52 from each side of this problem. These cancel out. X is equal to 18. My 5th number of this sequence was 18. If my 5th number was 18, that means that with the list of 14, 8, 16, 14, and 18, that average is equal to the median, which would be 14.